Hello, welcome. The question is here before us. The question says we should calculate the mass of carbon in grams that is needed to reduce 15.9 gram of copper to oxide. Since the mass of copper is given, we can use it to solve this question. Let's do that quickly. Solution. Let's calculate for molar mass of this the molar mass of this copper oxide, because here we have the copper oxide reacting with carbon. Copper oxide, which is Cu, will give us the molar mass here is copper is 63.5 plus oxygen 16, which will give us 79.5 gram. Now, since we have that, we now go again. You know that mole is equal to mass over molar mass. Remember that this thing is molar mass. So molar mass. So we have it to be, this equals 15 is the mass given, 15.9 rather, over 79.5. This will give us, let's check on calculator, 15.9 divided by 79.5. It gives us 0.2 mole. Now let's look closely to the question. Here we have it that when they ask what mass of carbon in gram is needed. So here there is 2 against 1. So since it's 2 against 1, we now use it, since 2 of these can give this, 1 will give, you divide this by 2. So we are going to have it that the mass or the mole of carbon is equal to, we divide this by 2. Since here we have 1:2, is going to be 0.2 divided by 2, which will give us 0.1 mole. But what they ask us is mass. We know that our mass is equal to mole times molar mass, which is equal to 0.1 times 12, because the molar mass of carbon is 12 and there is only 1 carbon here. This will automatically give us, let's multiply on calculator, 0.1 times by 12. It gives us 1.2 gram. This is the mass of the carbon that is needed. Thank you and bye.